Hey there, welcome back to Bilal Consultancy Limited. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's essential for any business looking to truly understand its customers. The voice of the customer table, or VOCT for short. What is VOCT? The voice of the customer table, VOCT, is a structured framework used by businesses to collect, organize, and analyze customer feedback from various sources. It's essentially a tool that helps companies understand and categorize the opinions, preferences, and sentiments expressed by their customers regarding products, services, or overall experiences. The VOCT typically includes several key components. Feedback sources. This section comprises all the channels through which customers provide feedback, such as surveys, social media, customer support interactions, reviews, emails, and more. Feedback categories or themes. These are the different topics or areas into which the feedback is organized. For instance, categories could include product features, customer service quality, pricing, usability, and any other relevant aspects that customers frequently comment on. Sentiment analysis. This involves evaluating the tone or sentiment expressed in the feedback, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Understanding sentiment helps businesses gauge how customers feel about their products or services. Frequency or volume of feedback. This part tracks the frequency or volume of feedback within each category. It helps identify which areas or themes are mentioned more frequently by customers, indicating their significance or areas needing attention. The VOCT acts as a centralized repository of customer feedback, allowing companies to gain valuable insights into customer preferences, pain points, and overall satisfaction levels. By systematically organizing and analyzing this data, businesses can make informed decisions to improve products, services, or processes to better meet customer needs and expectations. Regularly updating and revisiting the VOCT ensures companies stay aligned with evolving customer sentiments and preferences. History. The concept of the voice of the customer, VOC, and its structured representation in a voice of the customer table, VOCT, has its roots in quality management and customer-centric approaches, particularly within the realm of Six Sigma and Total Quality Management (TQM) methodologies. The idea is to focus on understanding and meeting customer needs effectively to enhance overall business performance. In the late 20th century, the VOC gained significant traction as a critical component of quality management systems. The VOC emphasized the importance of gathering and incorporating customer feedback into product development, service delivery, and business decision-making processes. However, the structured representation of customer feedback in the form of a voice of the customer table evolved as businesses sought more systematic and organized methods to handle the increasing volume and diversity of customer feedback across various channels. As technology advanced, companies gained access to numerous customer touchpoints, such as social media, online reviews, surveys, and direct communication channels, generating an influx of unstructured data. The need arose to structure, categorize, and analyze this wealth of information to derive actionable insights. The development and utilization of VOCTs became a strategic approach for businesses. Organizing feedback. Companies started structuring customer feedback into categories or themes to better understand customer sentiments and preferences across different aspects of their products or services. Analyzing trends. VOCTs enabled businesses to identify trends, pain points, and areas of improvement by systematically analyzing the frequency and sentiment of customer feedback within specific categories. Data-driven decision-making. By utilizing VOCTs, companies could make data-driven decisions, guiding product development, service improvements, and overall business strategies based on customer needs and feedback. Today, the VOCT remains a powerful tool for businesses across various industries, reflecting the continued emphasis on customer-centric approaches in achieving competitive advantage and ensuring customer satisfaction. Its evolution continues in tandem with advancements in data analytics, AI, and machine learning, allowing for more sophisticated analysis and interpretation of customer feedback. How to develop it step by step. Developing a voice of the customer table, VOCT, involves several steps aimed at systematically gathering, organizing, and analyzing customer feedback to derive actionable insights. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Define objectives and scope. Clearly outline the goals and objectives for creating the VOCT. Determine what specific aspects of customer feedback you want to capture and analyze, aligning it with your business goals and areas of interest. Step 2. Identify feedback sources. List all the channels and sources where customers provide feedback. This can include surveys, social media, reviews, customer service interactions, emails, and more. Utilize tools or platforms that can aggregate feedback from various sources into a centralized location. Step 3. Categorize feedback. Develop a framework or set of categories, themes to organize the feedback. These categories should cover different aspects of your product, service, or business, such as features, usability, customer service, pricing, etc. Ensure they are comprehensive enough to encompass all relevant feedback. Step 4. Collect and record feedback. Consistently collect and record customer feedback into your VOCT. This could involve manual entry or automated processes depending on the volume and sources of feedback. Tag each feedback entry with relevant categories and details. Step 5. Analyze sentiment and volume. Apply sentiment analysis tools or manual assessment to understand the tone, positive, negative, neutral, of each feedback entry. Additionally, track the frequency or volume of feedback within each category to identify patterns and prioritize areas of improvement. Step 6. Collaborate across teams. Involve cross-functional teams from various departments like product development, marketing, customer support, etc. Collaboration ensures diverse perspectives and a holistic understanding of customer feedback, aiding in better decision-making. Step 7. Regularly update and refine. Keep the VOCT updated with new feedback and refine categories, themes as necessary. Customer preferences evolve, so it's crucial to ensure the VOCT remains relevant and aligned with changing customer sentiments. Step 8. Use insights for actionable steps. Utilize insights derived from the VOCT to drive actionable steps. Implement changes, improvements, or strategies based on the identified trends and feedback patterns to enhance products, services, or overall customer experience. Step 9. Monitor and iterate. Continuously monitor the impact of implemented changes and iterate on the VOCT framework. Measure how changes affect customer satisfaction and revisit the process to improve the VOCT methodology continually. Step 10. Seek continuous improvement. Keep refining the VOCT process. Embrace new technologies, tools, or methodologies that can enhance data collection, analysis, and interpretation, ensuring that your business remains responsive to evolving customer needs. Remember, developing a VOCT is an ongoing process that requires dedication, collaboration, and a commitment to using customer insights to drive meaningful changes within your organization. Benefits and importance. The voice of the customer table, VOCT, holds immense importance and offers several benefits to businesses. 1. Enhanced customer understanding. Insight into customer needs. It provides a comprehensive view of customer opinions, preferences, and pain points, aiding in a deeper understanding of what customers want. Identification of trends. Helps in spotting emerging trends, allowing businesses to adapt and stay ahead in meeting evolving customer expectations. 2. Data-driven decision-making. Informed business decisions. Allows for making informed decisions based on real customer feedback rather than assumptions or guesswork. Prioritizing actions. Helps in prioritizing actions by highlighting areas where improvements or changes will have the most significant impact on customer satisfaction. 3. Improved products and services. Refinement of offerings. Guides product development by pinpointing specific features or aspects that need improvement or modification. Service enhancements. Identifies areas of improvement in customer service, leading to better support and satisfaction. 4. Customer-centric approach. Customer-centric culture. Fosters a culture centered around customer needs, encouraging continuous improvement and customer-focused strategies. Enhanced retention and loyalty. By addressing customer concerns and preferences, it fosters loyalty and strengthens relationships with customers. 5. Competitive advantage. Adaptation to market changes. Helps businesses adapt quickly to changing market dynamics and customer expectations, giving an edge over competitors. Differentiation allows for differentiation by aligning products, services, and experiences precisely with what customers desire. 6. Efficient resource allocation. Resource optimization enables businesses to allocate resources more efficiently by focusing efforts on areas that directly impact customer satisfaction. Cost reduction reduces costs associated with addressing issues that are less critical to customers' experiences. 7. Continuous improvement. Iterative process facilitates a cycle of continuous improvement where insights from the VOCT guide ongoing changes and refinements. Adaptability provides the flexibility to adapt strategies and offerings in response to changing customer needs and market conditions. 8. Holistic understanding. Cross-functional insights involves multiple departments, ensuring a holistic understanding of customer feedback across the entire organization. Alignment with customer expectations keeps the business aligned with customer expectations and preferences, leading to long-term success. In summary, the VOCT empowers businesses to listen, understand, and act upon the valuable feedback provided by customers, enabling them to make informed decisions that drive customer satisfaction, loyalty, and business growth. Examples. Here are some examples illustrating how different businesses leverage the voice of the customer table, VOCT, to improve their products, services, and overall customer experiences. 1. Tech company enhancing software features. A software company utilizes a VOCT to gather customer feedback from various sources like user forums, help desk tickets, and surveys. The VOCT categorizes feedback into sections like usability, feature requests, and performance. Through sentiment analysis, the company identifies that many users are requesting a specific feature related to file sharing. Based on this insight, the company prioritizes the development of the requested feature, leading to increased user satisfaction and retention. 2. E-commerce platform improving customer service. An e-commerce platform gathers feedback from customer reviews, social media comments, and customer service interactions. The VOCT categorizes feedback into areas like delivery experience, product quality, and customer support. Sentiment analysis reveals recurring negative feedback regarding delayed deliveries and inadequate customer support. The company focuses on streamlining logistics for faster deliveries and provides additional training to customer service representatives, resulting in improved ratings and customer satisfaction. 3. Hospitality chain enhancing guest experience. A hotel chain collects feedback from guest surveys, online reviews, and direct feedback during stays. The VOCT segments feedback into categories such as room comfort, staff service, amenities, and dining experiences. Sentiment analysis highlights consistent positive feedback about staff interactions but negative comments about the Wi-Fi service. The hotel chain invests in upgrading Wi-Fi infrastructure, leading to increased positive reviews and higher guest satisfaction scores. 4. Consumer goods company optimizing product lines. A consumer goods company analyzes customer feedback from social media, product reviews, and customer service inquiries. The VOCT organizes feedback into categories like product packaging, taste preferences, and pricing. Sentiment analysis uncovers consistent positive feedback for one product line but mixed reviews for another due to taste preferences. The company refines the recipe of the less favored product line, leading to increased sales and improved customer satisfaction. 5. Automotive manufacturer enhancing vehicle features. An automotive manufacturer collects feedback from customer surveys, dealership interactions, and online forums. The VOCT categorizes feedback into sections like safety features, technology, comfort, and performance. Sentiment analysis reveals high demand for a specific safety feature across different vehicle models. The manufacturer integrates this feature into future models, attracting more customers and enhancing brand loyalty. These examples demonstrate how businesses across various industries leverage the insights derived from VOCT to make data-driven decisions, prioritize improvements, and ultimately enhance their offerings and customer experiences. Conclusion of video. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the power of the voice of the customer table. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Keep listening, keep evolving, and most importantly, Keep delighting your customers. This is Bilal Consultancy Limited signing off. Until next time.